Good morning, welcome to day 6. So during day 6, what we're going to do is for math, students are going to solve some story problems and they're going to use a pair deck. So it's going to look like this. Highland ordered 441 new pencils for the state test. If they gave each student 7 pencils, how many students are in the school? So you have to think through that problem, decide what operation to use, and then solve it here. There are 3 problems to solve. Okay. When you have completed that, you will go back to your email, and I sent everybody an email yesterday on IXL. I used your diagnostic to find recommended skills. So you will get a personalized plan for yourself. Today I want you guys to work on the number and operations section. If you have any questions, respond to my email and I'd be happy to answer them. And when you're done with that, go ahead and do about 4 or 5 more problems on the diagnostic so it continues to update. So next week we'll have a brand new plan for you. Okay? Day 6 book talk is at 10 o'clock. I will add that in as soon as I'm done with this video. Reading for today, you're going to read chapters 16 through 18. We're getting close to the end of our book, Mr. Popper's Penguins. Answer the questions, turn that in please. For writing, you can continue with your informational writing or continue making story jumpers. Okay? You guys have done a nice job. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.